What's going on, YouTube? I kind of forgot to put this out at the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna put it out right now. If you put on your Instagram, you watch my video, I will shout you out on my channel, on my story, and I might do like a little thread throughout the whole week to where I post everybody that shared the video on Instagram, man. So y'all go ahead and do that for your boy. Share. You watch my video on Instagram, and I'm gonna shout you out, man. So I appreciate all love and support. Let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back at another video, man. Today we're gonna be talking about Air Jordan and Travis Scott collaborations for this year. We got a couple of these releases this year, and I want to talk about it, and I want to ask for my vintage gang, vintage squad, whatever y'all want to call yourselves, opinion today over these collaborations, man. But before we get into this video, I need y'all right now to subscribe to the channel and go and hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. I start like chopping that in every time I say a word, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I might do, I might not. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. So y'all go ahead and do that for your boy right now, or you can wait till after the video. Okay, so the first shoe we want to talk about today is these Air Jordan 1s with the backwards swoosh. I'm gonna make sure to put a picture up over my face or right here so y'all can check them out. But this one right here is something very, very different. Just like with the Air Jordan 3 Tinkers, we got a Nike swoosh on the 3. Like, I never seen that before. I know it's like a OG or the original drawing of the shoe. They finally modeled it and released it to the public. But now we have an Air Jordan 1 with a backwards swoosh on it, which is very, very crazy. And I feel like it's gonna shock a lot of people, especially the Air Jordan 1 lovers. I know a lot of people, like subscribers and a lot of shoe tubers, love Air Jordan 1s, as well as me. Air Jordan 1 grew on me this year and last year as well. I like was going Air Jordan 1 crazy. And now we get an Air Jordan 1 with a backwards swoosh. So I'm starting to think, is this shoe gonna remodel how everybody is thinking about Air Jordan 1s? That everybody want the backwards swoosh, just like the 3s now. Everybody want the swoosh on the 3s. As you see, we getting the black cement 3s with the swoosh, and we getting the Tinker 3s with the swoosh as well. And it's just very dope, man. Something different, something new for the culture, something new for these younger people growing up just like me. I'm new to the sneaker game, I ain't gonna lie. I'm new to it, still learning stuff. I'm still, you know what I'm saying, grabbing knowledge from here, grabbing knowledge from there, and I'm just trying to be better as something that I love. It's shoes, man. It's crazy that I love shoes and I want to study shoes. That's crazy, right? But like I said, these Air Jordan 1 backwards swooches, Travis Scott's, whatever you want to. I don't even know the official name of them, but it's like a brown colorway, or I think it might be a dark green, one or the other. The pictures is not too close up, but yeah, it's brown. He got on green pants. The picture I'm looking at, it's a brown, look like a suede, and like I said, that Nike swoosh is regular on the inside of the shoe, but on the outside of the shoe, it's backwards, man, which is very, very different, man. You can't lie. Is this shoe hyped, or is it some actual heat? I'm gonna leave that in the comment section below for y'all to discuss. Is it actually some heat, or is it just hyped up because it's Travis Scott? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Let's get this discussion going. Let's get discussion going on every video. And right now, hit that thumbs up for your boy. Get this video to 100 likes, man. Let's get it. Okay, the next shoe we getting is the Air Jordan 33. This is a shoe that I talked trash about last year. I didn't really talk trash. I said it was underrated just because I kind of feel like they released at the wrong time last year, because there's so many other shoes releasing, Jordans, Yeezys, Pumas. There's so many shoes dropping last year, especially late, and people wasn't feeling the 33. But now they have a Travis Scott collaboration with the 33, and I feel like this shoe is going to do numbers just because it's Travis Scott. Like, Travis Scott, it has really put itself out there like a designer type thing, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody want Travis Scott this, Travis Scott apparel that, and now they throwing him on a lot of these different Jordans. Like last year we only got these right here, we only got the 4s last year, but everybody wanted more. Everybody wanted more Travis Scott. In 2019 they giving it to us. Now we getting in that 1, and we getting in the Air Jordan 33. Like I said, I put a picture up right here so y'all can check them out. And like I said, I want to know, I want to engage with y'all. I want y'all to tell me how y'all feel about the shoe. Is it hyped up right now, or is it some actual heat? Is it some actual heat? Let me know. Leave all your comments in the description box below. Leave all your thoughts about them in the description box below, because right now I'm feeling like this shoe just, like I said, hyped up. This one right here, the 1s, mixed feelings about it, but I'm definitely gonna cop. It's different. It's a backwards swoosh. Is it heat? I don't know. Is it hype? Maybe. But these 33s, I feel like it's more on the hype side, because didn't nobody rock with 33s last year. You know what I'm saying? Nobody was fucking with the 33s. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it 100. Nobody was feeling the 33s, and Travis Scott is on there now. And the colorway is green. I think it got bronze or brown on the back, black, and it got some lime green in there as well. Like I said, this shoe is not a hideous shoe. It's a different shoe, predominantly something that you will wear on the court. I don't see nobody rocking this on an everyday basis like a regular Air Jordan 1 or Air Jordan 3 all the way up to 14. So like I said, y'all let me know how I feel about this in the comment section below. We're gonna get to the next sneaker. Okay, these last 3 shoes are all Air Jordan 4s. So you got a green or like a tan, brown. I don't even know what color this is. Like I said, I'm gonna put a picture right here, talk about this one real quick. You got the red Nike Air on the back, and they got the cactus jackets like you get on this right here, but it's in black. And it's like a beige, I don't even know what color this is. It's a weird color. And I think these are some fire, man. These was some heat. These different colors, like I said, I like the different colors. I feel like I stress out in every video. I like different colors, man. I just don't like plain red, plain blue. I like something to be different, man. And these right here are very, very different. This blue, when have y'all seen a blue like this on Air Jordan before? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But like I said, they got this, I don't even know what color this is. I don't want to give it a wrong name, but I'm going to say brown for right now. This brown Air Jordan 4 cactus jackets is, or Jack Cactus, whatever you want to call it, is releasing. And it's saying, I think it's later this year to release, but I'm going to get my hands on them. I'm going to try to get all of these 4s because I don't have a lot of 4s in my collection. The Bread 4s are releasing. We're going to talk about that later. But yeah, man, check these out. Very dope. And I'm pretty sure they're going to retail for, I think it's retail for $220. It's not a bad price when he's thinking about like the colorway, who's collabing with it, and all that type of stuff. So yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this Air Jordan 4 in the comment section below. Let's get to the next Air Jordan 4. All right, this next Air Jordan 4 is the purple one that everybody was talking about last year. It's been hyped up since last year. So that's how I know it's going to carry on to 2019 and everybody's going to want this shoe. It's a purple Air Jordan 4. Like, they gave us a little bit of purple on the Toronto Raptor 4s or Drake 4s, whatever you want to call it. And the shoe was dope. The shoe was crazy to me, especially if they would have threw Drake's signature on the back. That shoe would have been, I feel like that would have did better than this shoe. And speaking of like the marketing and the person behind it, Drake, I feel like Drake is over Travis Scott. I think everybody can attest to that as well. But you got a purple Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott with red, white, black. It's dope. It's very dope. It's a fire shoe, and I can see a lot of people saying this is hyped up as well as this some heat, man. So y'all let me know how I feel about this one. Got the purple hang tag just like you got on this one. I see they did a lot of different stuff with the shoe. That's why I cannot complain with the retail price. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this purple Air Jordan 4 in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. Let's get some discussion. Is it heat? Is it hype? Let's get it. All right, this last Air Jordan 4, I'm not sure if this is like players, not a player exclusive, but like a friends and family pair. It's just kind of the same color as the last one I showed you guys, but this one has red on the back of the heels on both of them, and they're the same color on the heel, the heel tab. And this is a red Nike Air, and it's a red Cactus Jack. So how y'all feeling about this one? I feel like it's the same one as the one I just showed y'all before, the purple ones, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's a different colorway. I don't know. It's kind of like the same tannish, brownish colorway. But like I said, I'm not too sure on that. And I'm definitely looking forward to this one as well, man. So let me know in the comment section below how you're feeling about this one. I think this is the same one as the one I showed you before, but I wanted to bring this up. I wanted y'all to tell me how you feel about this one as well. If they gave us this one with the red Nike Air and on the Cactus Jack is better than the one with the different heel tabs and the different colors on both of the heel tabs as well. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I wanted to bring a discussion to the channel, to my subscribers, to the Vintage Gang, so we can talk about these Air Jordan 4s and Travis Scotts. I want to know if people is really digging them or if these shoes are just hyped up. As you know, a lot of us as sneakerheads kind of get wrapped up in the moment, caught up in the hype, as sometimes when buying shoes. Some shoes are like impulse buys, but most of them is like on some hype B side of things. You're like, oh, I gotta get this shoe, when really you wasn't feeling it, but because, you know what I'm saying, you got Cactus Jack on the back, maybe now it's the best shoe in your collection, or it's your favorite pair, whatever you might say. Like I said, I want to know that in the comment section below. Make sure you smash that thumbs up when we get the video up to 100 likes. That's the goal for every video, 100 likes. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for you boys so you never miss another video, live stream, community post, whatever it might be. And follow me over at Instagram at DeVintage The link will always be in the description box below. I try to post a picture on there once a week, if not once every other week, just so I can, you know what I'm saying, stay new in the feed. Keep putting my face out there and stuff like that. So all that being said, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.